Thinking about diving into real estate? Feeling overwhelmed by the thought of buying a rental property? Let's simplify the process with these 10 easy steps. And also, if you want to learn how to move towards tax free living, click the link in the description to sign up for my upcoming tax free tax tactics talk. Discover legal ways to lower your tax bill in this must attend webinar. See you there. Hey there, tax warriors. Welcome to JDB Tax. I'm Brian Eustache, your old agent, tax strategist. But I call myself a tax tactician leveraging the tax code to build your financial fortress. With this segment of Tax Tactics, we're tackling a topic that investors and aspiring investors often wonder about: rental properties. Whether you're a seasoned real estate investor or just getting started, I've got a powerful guide for you: 10 steps to purchasing your next rental property. Because with powerful tools like depreciation available for tax savings, this is the first piece to a lot of tax tactics. Also, if you'd like to see more tax content like this, hit the like, comment down below. Now, step one, make a goal. First things first, set a clear, achievable goal. Decide when you want to purchase your first rental and stick to that deadline. Share your goal with friends and family for accountability. Write it down and break it into manageable tasks. Instead of just saying, buy my first rental by X date, plan out the smaller steps needed to get there. Step two, start shopping. Hit the ground running by looking at rental properties. Engage multiple realtors or investors in your target markets to send you leads. The more properties you see, the more motivated you'll become. Plus, this helps you get a feel for what's available and at what price points. Step three, get a spreadsheet. Create or purchase a spreadsheet to analyze potential properties. This tool should help you evaluate properties based on rent rates, operating costs, debt service, property management fees, and ultimately calculate the return on investment, your ROI. Step four, look at lots of property. Take your time and look at many properties. There's no rush. Remember, there will always be another deal next week. So trust your gut and don't get pressured into a deal that doesn't feel right. Step five, make an offer and start due diligence. When you find a property that fits your criteria, make an offer contingent on due diligence. If something doesn't check out during this period, don't hesitate to back out. Avoid getting emotionally attached to the property. Step six, do more due diligence. Examine the property from every angle. Learn how to conduct thorough due diligence by reading books and talking to experienced investors. Patience is key, but don't get discouraged by the process. Step seven, open escrow. Once you're satisfied with due diligence, open escrow. Start reviewing documents, prepare to close, and begin forming an LLC. In most states, it's advisable to hold your rental property in an LLC for liability protection. Step eight, close and deed the property to an LLC. Now, don't stress if your LLC isn't ready before closing. In many states and in many cases, you can close in your name and transfer the deed to your LLC afterward without triggering the due on sale clause. Because some banks are typically concerned with if you transfer the property to someone else. Step nine, track expenses. Keep meticulous records of all expenses related to the property. This includes closing statements, pre-closing costs, and ongoing expenses. Everything related to the purchase and management of the property is a potential tax write-off. Consult with a tax strategist to maximize your deductions. And step 10, manage the property, tenants, and property managers. Stay actively involved in managing your property. Regularly visit the property, take photos, and keep detailed records of interactions with tenants and your property manager. Proper management ensures the long-term success of your investment. And the right management strategy can also maximize tax savings, like with short-term rental tactics. Those are your 10 steps to purchasing a rental property. If you're aiming for tax savings and wealth building through real estate, remember to tax plan strategically. Leveraging these steps can significantly help your cap rate and overall financial health. Understanding how to leverage real estate is just one of many ways JDB Tax Strategy helps business owners legally save money on taxes without fear of the IRS by leveraging the tax code to the fullest extent. After booking a consultation call with us at jdbtax.com, we'll build a personalized battle plan to minimize your tax burden and maximize your wealth. So, subscribe, hit that notification bell, click all. Join me on this epic quest to conquer taxes in your financial throne. I post tax tactics every Tuesday and Thursday. See you next time, Tax Warriors.